hey. All right, so we're gonna start the Bell Trail now. Should be about 7 miles long, and it's a hot day.
It's very hot.
We have a lot of water, and we have a lot of water for Apollo, who's like the MVP of hiking, but it's his longest hike yet, so we're gonna see how he does it.
Yeah, but there's water at the end of it, so that's promising. About 2.5-ish miles. We're almost at the crack, which means that we're about to do some swimming. The hike has been pretty easy so far. We're next to the stream, which is good because Apollo gets to get wet, and it's been very easy, very flat so far.
Yeah, that's the ledge right there.
Very exciting.
We made it to the end, and it's freaking crazy here.
Yeah, it is.
So now we already jumped off the little ledge, which is freaking... It's scary, but I think it is colder than it is scary.
Yeah, once you're jumping and you're like, I'm so scared, and then you touch the water and you're like, I'm so cold.
Yeah. Although this is definitely a must-do hike here in Sedona area.
Yeah, it was really nice.
Yeah, really, really, really cool. All right, let's get back. Okay, we did it.
I'm so tired.